RCAT Holdings is a fascinating player in the drone technology sector, and it's time we dive into what makes this microcap company so compelling. Priced at just around $6 per share, it's a stock that could be flying under the radar, but it's also positioned at the forefront of autonomous intelligence. Let's talk about innovation. RCAT is not just another drone company. They're focused on creating solutions that enhance the capabilities of drones in various industries. Their flagship product, the Teal 2 drone, is a game changer. It's designed for both commercial and defense applications, boasting advanced features like high-definition video capabilities and robust AI integration. This drone can operate in challenging environments, making it ideal for everything from search and rescue missions to infrastructure inspections. But what really sets RCAT apart is its commitment to building an ecosystem around its technology. They're not just selling drones, they're developing software and platforms that enable users to maximize the potential of their drone fleets. This holistic approach is crucial as industries increasingly adopt drone technology for efficiency and safety. Now, let's consider the market potential. The global drone market is projected to reach over $40 billion in the next few years, with sectors like agriculture, construction, and logistics increasingly relying on drones for data collection and delivery. RCAT is strategically positioned to capture a significant share of this growth. Their focus on regulatory compliance and safety ensures that they're not just keeping up with the competition, but leading the charge in responsible drone usage. Looking ahead, RCAT's future prospects are bright. They're actively pursuing partnerships with government agencies and private enterprises, which could open doors to lucrative contracts and collaborations. Additionally, their emphasis on research and development means they're continuously innovating, ensuring they stay ahead of the curve in a rapidly evolving industry. Investors should take note of RCAT Holdings. With its innovative products, strategic market positioning, and a clear vision for the future, this microcap company could very well be the next frontier in autonomous intelligence. As the world of it embraces drone technology, RCAT is not just participating in the revolution, they're helping to shape it. Keep an eye on this stock. It might just surprise you.